Day 1 in building 100 startups for 100 days challenge. I just built my first startup over here, which is called CraftlyNow, and in this video I will share some of my process, how I got to this point, and walk you through the product. CraftlyNow helps you to create courses out of existing YouTube videos, and how simple it works: we simply need to drop our YouTube URL of the video we want to include to our course. We can pull the transcripts, which can be used to generate notes with AI or search through the video later. And once we have the transcripts, we can generate notes with AI. What will happen here, we'll go through the transcript, see some of the highlights, and enter customized description here. Once we're done with our course, we can share it with others. The first step I took was simply Q&A. Ask the AI to give me as much questions as possible that I need to start answering to. Probably that was the area that took most of my time, just thinking about the product, defining it, and really understand what the goal is here and what we want to build, and wanted to have a clear vision before I start building. With that Q&A, I simply passed it to the model, and we started generating some feature ideas. Just started brainstorming the tech stack, the database, the backend, and yeah, main of course came. It should be easy to use. We should not take much of our time to put the videos together. We want to just get in, paste the YouTube videos, and to hand off all the hard work there so we can get our course out. You can find the Notion page attached in the website 100startupchallenge.com, and all the information and the processes together with some insights. The key features are really getting the transcript in the video and generating the notes. Generating notes, I simply use GPT-4o for it, and it's a simple Edge function in Supabase that we send the request with the transcript, ask to generate a summary, and that gives us the data here. For the transcript, we used YouTube Transcript API, which is a Python library, which I deployed to Railway. It was pretty straightforward, just one click deploy. Heads up about YouTube Transcript API. It's not really a scraping, but we're taking advantage of YouTube APIs that are not really public. And most of the cases we will get blocked once we send the request. Because of that, I had to integrate some proxies to help us to have the API up and running. To build the product, I used both Codex and Cloud Code because I constantly went out of tokens, which is a problem that I might be looking at soon, how I can really optimize the way I'm using AI and how I can get the most out of it. As key learnings, probably the top 3 would be: first, I switched from manually entering the prompts to using a voice recognition app. I just downloaded Whisperflow, and I think that double or triple my speed in sending prompts, which was really handy. Second, it was my first time connecting Cloud Code with Notion and Figma. Really, I think this is a game changer. I use Figma daily, but having your agent building wireframes, final designs there, and brainstorming together, it's really a game changer. So, and third, having the full information and giving the full context was really a point that I wanted to highlight, and that inspired me to build and to give a topic to the next startup, to day number 2, which will help you to clarify your ideas. I will do a new video with a follow-up and day number 2 tomorrow. Day 1 is done, 99 to go.